In terms of the previous tenant and now for us, it's a building I've passed every day going into work for the last 20 years. It was a 1980s kind of vintage building, I would regard considerably dilapidated. And for us, the benchmark is what are the rents? What are the rents that are on the market now, not what were the previous rents under an old lease arrangement? And I think one of the things we've been looking at, if you look at the current market rates per square foot, Amiens Street, if you take it at the 593 per annum, if you compare it with what you could be expected to get in Merrion Square now, would be about 800,000 per annum, or a Grade A Dublin City Centre, 1.3 million per annum. So we are at the mercy of the market when we are looking for accommodation. So we can't look at historical. I wish we could look at historical rent rolls, but
Ms. Licken, you know,
sure.
I'm going to let you explain. I want explanations for this, but I came from this as a person, Cahir Lagar and Costa, a bhí búra fui costas module keys. Agus an smuineh agus an cuin capita agamsa, vek se wadnis efakti morgashta a ve aganya, ve agav. So I believe that you should have the building and a mortgage on it. That's what led me in to begin to look at this. So now I'm just asking you very specific questions. What monitoring, what did you look at? What did the business case say to you? When did you become aware there were two agreements? When did you become aware that in addition to the moving costs, there were all these other costs for the refurbishment of the building tied into the rent? I mean,